Dad's unboxing his saxophone.
OMG!
Wow.
Drop it.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god. Yung talaga mo yan?
Whoa. He's like unearthing a dead body.
Pogi ah! Let's eat. Pogi.
Angel,
This is for you.
you want these peanuts?
Wow, my favorite. Ah. Wow.
Nice case.
Look at the brand.
What's the brand?
Smaller?
P. Mauriat.
Oh, they have keychains. They have saxophone keychains.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Saxophone keychain?
What
Oh,
zippers?
yeah, the zipper.
Bobby wants to see the saxophone.
Okay, you wanna join? Is there anything else in here? No, that's it. Reminds me of. I'm gonna do a day.
We can put Angel in there.
Yeah, put Boogie in it. Wait, no, it's gonna get stuck in his claws. But putting Boogie, do you
Oh,
wanna be
I
in
think
here?
it'll be fine. Here. Okay. Yeah, put Boogie here.
Yeah, put Boogie. And then we back.
Hi. And then Dad's actual sorry.
I thought it's black.
Oh, it's a saxophone. It's
Huh? Oh, it's not.
We don't
Show
need
it to Boogie.
Hey.
Look at
Sorry. Woo! Wait, Dad, what kind of saxophone is this?
Still the same alto.
Oh, really? It's smaller. Oh, it's because the top thing isn't on it.
Thinking, I know. You're asking about like a whole.
Oh wow, it has a design.
Dad, talk about your new saxophone.
Look at the design. Look at the color.
Ooh, flowers.
Is there any brand? P. Mauriat. Where's the P. Mauriat? Here.
Okay.
Oh.
Wow, Dad will be making more music.
In the beginning I like Selmer, but I changed my mind. I like the P. Mauriat now.
Wow.
Try it.
The only thing is, if there's a difference when I blow it or
Huh?
there should be a difference. Magaan pati?
Mag-iba ang sound? Or
No,
what?
it's lighter than the other one.
Does this mean I can use your old one?
Yeah!
Then sell it.
Oh, you can sell it.
No, if they want to learn that, they
There's
can...
two for hire.
Huh?
No,
Pwede
it's
nilang
one.
gamitin yung isa mo para pag-practicean na.
If I have time.
Yeah.
I'm still learning the violin.
Yeah.
That's all.
You see this? Oh, there's like a design.
Oo.
Eh?
Subukan mo na.
I thought before, like, why it's like that? Is it stained?
It's marbled.
You cannot. They put like a thing here. I'm like, why you cannot open it?
Where's the piece?
So.
He's just playing.
Oh, they don't have mouthpiece?
Maybe later.
No mouthpiece?
There's a cap.
There's a cap too.
Did your other one have a cap? Where's the black
No.
thingy? Huh?
Maybe it's in here.
Probably not in here. Imagine if you had a dig. $100 bill in here. ASMR.
Put Pogi here. Walang mouthpiece.
There's none? Yeah, maybe it's in there.
No.
No? Can you use your old one?
Ba
Yeah.
yung isang ano,
I have
isa
two
na
mouthpiece.
packet.
Maybe it's not. Maybe it doesn't come with
I
it.
have two mouthpiece. Yeah, doesn't go with it. It's okay.
Wait. What about that one?
No, there's nothing.
No.
It's the thing for the neck.
Wow, that's
Wow!
for yourself.
Happy very early birthday.
Because you will pay for it.